Good morning everyone, welcome to page Binti Binjai Arise. I'm Sari. Today we will keep going on lesson 3, talk about Adam and Eve, and we will learn emotion also. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is look after. Look after. Spell L-O-O-K-A-F-T-E-R. Look after. Ask the same word, take care. Take care. For example, God looks after us every day. God looks after us every day. The second word is live. Live. Spell L-I-V-E. Live. For example, where do you live? Where do you live? Next word is wonderfully. Wonderfully. Or you can say wonderfully. Wonderfully. Spell W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L-L-Y. Wonderfully. Wonderfully. For example, she always wonderfully kind to me. She always wonderfully kind to me. And next word is fearfully. Fearfully. Spell F-E-A-R-F-U-L-L-Y. For example, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. And the last word is know. Know. Spell K-N-O-W. Know. I know, you know, we know, they know, she knows, he knows. Okay, let's review with me together. Please repeat after me. Look after. Look after. Live. Live. Next, wonderfully. Wonderfully. Next word is fearfully. Fearfully. And the last word is know. Know. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Please make a sentence or sentences by using the word that we have learned today and leave it in a comment. If you do it right, we will give a thumbs up, or if not, we will have check. If you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye!